Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the current state of the market and some of my top stock picks. There's an old saying on Wall Street, markets climb the wall of worry. What that really means is, even when there's uncertainty, political issues, or economic concerns, the market often keeps moving higher. Investors want proof before selling, and that cautious optimism can create steady, upward trends. Understanding this is key if you want to trade or invest wisely. Right now, the market is showing a slow but steady upward trend. SPY and Nvidia recently hit new all-time highs, but it's important to notice that these moves are happening on low volume. Low volume can be tricky because it may hide what's really happening behind the scenes. One pattern I'm seeing is something called stealth selling. That's when the price goes up, but momentum is decreasing. Essentially, it's a sign that institutional investors are taking profits slowly while the market appears bullish. This is not a market breakout, it's a market that's cautiously testing the upside. Key takeaway, the market is moving higher, but it's a slow climb. Patience and careful observation are required to take advantage of these conditions. We're starting to see money rotate from big tech stocks into other sectors, particularly healthcare. For example, Eli Lilly had a strong day recently, showing significant upside momentum. This suggests that investors are looking beyond the largest tech companies and considering opportunities in sectors with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Tip: watching sector rotation can help you identify emerging opportunities before the broader market catches on. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla is showing a bullish setup on the weekly chart. We're seeing what's called a bald candle, which is a candle with no upper wick. That indicates the stock hasn't hit resistance yet and can continue moving upward. Our previous prediction for Tesla to move from 440 to 460 has already played out, confirming strong momentum. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon is currently showing a doji candle. This means the bulls and bears are in a tug of war, and the market is undecided. For a larger upward move, Amazon needs to clear 224. If it does, 231 and then 240 become realistic targets. Long term, I see potential for Amazon to reach 240 to 260 in 2025, and possibly 250 to 300 in 2026. Weeble Corporation, BULL. Weeble shows strong institutional buying and a classic cup and handle pattern. Every red day has been an opportunity to accumulate shares. For those with a long-term perspective, the target is $24. Patience and disciplined accumulation are key here. POET, POET. POET is in an ascending channel with a double bottom formation and another cup and handle setup. This signals potential upside to $16, $20 over the next year or two. The plan here is simple: accumulate on pullbacks, exercise patience, and let the chart patterns play out. Here's the principle that guides all my decisions: plan, patience, discipline. When these three elements are combined, they create a framework for consistent profits and long-term growth. Alright, that's your market update and stock analysis for today. Keep these principles in mind as you trade or invest. Stay patient, stick to your plan, and always manage your risk. The market doesn't reward impulsive decisions, it rewards preparation and discipline. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next update.